Ever wondered how a retreat can transform your life? Spain's vegan retreats might just be the answer. Imagine rejuvenating your mind and body with nourishing plant-based cuisine and holistic wellness practices. Set against the stunning landscapes of Spain, these retreats offer a unique combination of activities. From yoga and meditation to cooking classes, each retreat is designed to enhance your physical health and mental clarity. Vegan retreats in Spain are more than just a getaway, they are an immersive wellness experience. Picture yourself surrounded by the picturesque Sierra Morena, engaging in activities that promote well-being. Delicious vegetarian meals aligned with the Mediterranean diet are a staple at these retreats. Emotional insights are encouraged through practices like yoga, meditation, qigong, and vinyasa yoga. Herbal tea often complements these activities, enhancing relaxation and reflection. A vegan retreat is a specialized getaway centered on health, wellness, and holistic living. Whether it's a yoga retreat focusing on vinyasa yoga or a meditation session, Spain offers diverse experiences. Yoga detox sessions, mindfulness practices, and Falun Gong are just a few activities you can expect. Held in serene environments like the lush Sierra Morena or historic Castillo de Maimon, these retreats are transformative. Nutrition workshops educate participants about the benefits of a vegan lifestyle and wholesome foods. Engaging in language practice or exploring Spanish tradition adds a cultural dimension to the experience. Yoga sessions cleanse the body and elevate the spirit, while mindfulness practices foster greater awareness. Spain's stunning natural scenery and rich cultural heritage make it an ideal location for vegan retreats. Notable areas like Córdoba and centers such as Azulfit provide unique settings for these enriching experiences. The Mediterranean diet, celebrated for its health benefits, transforms meals into culinary masterpieces. Each vegan dish captures the essence of Spanish cuisine, nourishing both body and soul. Attending a vegan retreat in Spain offers notable improvements in physical health through plant-based nutrition. Intensive yoga sessions enhance mental clarity and focus, fostering emotional awareness. Mindfulness practices and connections with nature lead to profound emotional insights. Participants enjoy nutritious vegetarian meals inspired by the Mediterranean diet, rich in antioxidants and essential nutrients. Yoga and meditation sessions support profound personal insights and stress relief. Outdoor activities like guided hiking and meditative nature walks immerse attendees in their surroundings. Types of vegan retreats in Spain include yoga and veganism retreats, cooking and nutrition retreats, and meditation retreats. Yoga and veganism retreats blend intensive yoga practices with vegan principles for a holistic wellness experience. Cooking and nutrition retreats teach participants to prepare nutritious vegetarian dishes. Meditation and mindfulness retreats offer a temporary escape, allowing individuals to discover inner peace. When choosing a vegan retreat, consider the location, activities, and accommodations to suit your preferences. Spain's vegan retreats offer an authentic holiday experience focused on wellness and personal growth.